This is the weather forecast video for Friday, September 9th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see the upper level feature of what was once Tropical Storm Lee to the east of the state, with Hurricane Katia well off the Atlantic coast. But no other storm systems are in the vicinity to bring us any measurable rain. Here's the drought monitor that was released on Thursday. You can see the severe drought continues over southeastern Iowa, with moderate drought extending into central Iowa, abnormally dry across a larger part of the state. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Some flood issues on the mid-Atlantic coast, some wind issues in the Sierra Nevadas in California and Nevada. Otherwise, the nation was quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, shows most of the rain will be east of the state, although we can't rule out an isolated sprinkle or shower later today and into Saturday. Here's the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the upper level feature that was once Lee over the mid-Mississippi Valley and lower Ohio Valley, with Katia off the northeast coast. At the surface, you can see some chances of maybe a shower or so, about 10 or 20% at best, and not everybody is going to see rain. Saturday, same story, could see maybe a very isolated shower, especially along the Mississippi River in southeastern Iowa. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny north and west. Sunday, the entire state will be partly to mostly sunny, with highs in the upper 70s to near 80, maybe a few low 80s. We head into Monday. Still, storm system moving in from the northwest. We'll still be ahead of it, with highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s with increasing humidity. Tuesday, the frontal system begins to move in. There could be a chance of a shower, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. About a 20 to maybe 30% shot at it with the frontal system moving through. Wednesday, high pressure moves into the Dakotas, and look at the 540 line, dip as far south as Minneapolis. That could mean we could see lows well into the 40s on Wednesday or Thursday morning here with the high pressure overhead. Highs will be in the 60s. We could see some areas that may not even get out of the 50s. We'll have to see if that occurs. We head further a week from today, the 16th. We're still in a northwesterly flow with a trough over the New England states, a bit of a ridge over the Rockies. At the surface, high pressure still in hold over in the Great Lakes. Southerly flow begins to move into the western part of the state, so we could see some warming by next weekend. We move further into Voodoo, September the 20th. The main storm track has now moved back well into the U.S.-Canadian border area again, with weak steering currents across the middle part of the country. With that, there could be a frontal system that could ease into the state with maybe an isolated chance at a shower or storm. Nothing substantial and nothing heavy. And we move to the end of the forecast, September the 24th. Bit of a short wave over the center part of the country. The storm track diving further south, and another tropical system off the Carolina coast. That could be something to look for, because that usually blocks systems here from moving off to the east. Now time for the weekend football forecast. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.